guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. By the title of this video, you guys already know what this video is about. Now finally YouTube have finally paid us. Yes, I'm going to take you guys through my monetization process when I opened my Adsense account, how long it took me to get paid after I got monetized, and the juicy part, how much I actually got paid as my first YouTube paycheck. So if you guys want to know all of these details, if you're an upcoming YouTuber, a small YouTuber, or even a big YouTuber, if you want to know all of this information because it just might be helpful to you, then please keep on watching. Okay, so as at the time I am filming this video, I have about 2.62 subscribers here on YouTube, and on an average I get about 1.5k views on many of my videos on the average. Now I'm just going to start by talking about how and when I opened my Adsense account. Now I opened my Adsense account in my blogging days. Like, if you don't know, or if you know me, you know that I started my blog in 2014, and I actually opened my Adsense account, I think that was in 2015 if I am not mistaken. I think it was late 2015 or early 2016, I can't really recall for the life of me, but I opened my Adsense account around that time. And this whole thing you guys see on YouTube about YouTubers not getting their pin on time and all of that, I did all that one since yeah, I got my Adsense pin. I think I applied for my Adsense pin the first time. I didn't even get it at all. I had to reapply again, and then I got it after about 2 or 3 months. I can't even remember. So that was actually how I set up my Adsense account. So when I started doing YouTube, it was this Adsense account that was automatically linked to my YouTube, so I didn't have to open a fresh Adsense account for YouTube, if that makes any sense. So between that 2015 or 2016 and October last year when I got monetized on YouTube, I literally had about $18 in my account. Yes, my Google Adsense on my blog had only raked in about $18, and I never got paid that $18 because, as you know already, you have to get to the $100 threshold on Google Adsense to get paid. So yeah, that $18 was just there chilling in the account, you know, not being able to be touched. It was just there looking at me, and I was looking at the $18. Now fast forward to when I got monetized on YouTube. I got monetized, I actually got my monetization mail from YouTube on the 17th of October 2019. That's when I got monetized on YouTube, and ads began to play on my videos. And I'm going to take you guys through how much I raked in every month since I got monetized on YouTube in October of last year. Okay, so for the month of October, from when I got monetized on YouTube from 17th October down to the end of October, I made $14. Yep, $14 on YouTube. Within those remaining days of October, I made $14 on YouTube, and by the end of October, my balance on my Adsense account was $33.24. Now going into the month of November, I made, from the 1st of November down to the 30th of November, I made $37.23. That was my earnings for the whole of November. Not much. As I said before, I'm not a mega big superstar YouTuber. I'm just, I thought I call myself upcoming safe, to be honest. And by the end of that November, I had $70.47, and I still couldn't get paid because obviously I still hadn't gotten to the $100 threshold. Okay, and then for the month of December, I made from the 1st of December down to the 31st of December, I made $29.50. So I even made less than what I made in November, you guys. This YouTube life, God help us. So that was what I made, and by the end of December, what I had in my Adsense account was $99.97. And of course, I still couldn't get paid because it had still not reached $100. I literally had 0.3 cents to get paid that $100, but they refused to give it to me. So we move. Going into 2020, from the 1st of January down to the 31st of January, so I made $62.59, and then my total Adsense account balance was $162.56. And I just knew that, okay, last in February I'm going to try to get this money. So I'm going to give you guys a rundown of how your earnings are updated on Adsense. Now, I'm not even a technical person, like I'm not a techie person, so I'm not even going to go into the nitty-gritty of your views, your dollar per view, your CPM, your this, your that, because even me, I'm still trying to understand the whole shebang. On the 12th of every month, your earnings for the previous month will be updated on your AdSense, which means that, for instance, we are in February right now. I will not see what I have earned in the month of February until March 12th. Does that make any sense? When you go to your YouTube analytics, you will see what is called estimated earnings, because it's an estimate. You will not know exactly what you earn until the 12th of the following month. So I can only see what I made in February, or rather what I'm going to make in February, by the 12th of March. Do you get me? If your account balance is up to $100 or more, you will get paid on the 21st of that month. So your payments for February would come on the 21st of March. Okay, now I got the email from Google Payments on the 21st of February to say that my payment has been made to so and so bank. And yeah, one more thing I want to throw in there. You guys know how on YouTube you always hear, oh, you have to open a domiciliary account. If you're doing YouTube in Nigeria, you have to open a domiciliary account to get paid. That's a lie from the pit of hell. I don't know if that used to be the case before, but as at now, you can just use your Naira account and you can use any bank. So I literally just use my regular Naira account to receive payment from YouTube. I got an email from Google Payments saying that this money has been forwarded to my account, and if I don't get my money in my account within the next 5 business days, I should contact my bank. And yeah, I got my payments about a couple of days later in my account. It didn't drop in my account that same day I got the mail, but it dropped a couple of days later. And I will just leave I can't remember exactly how much, like to the T, entered my account, but do the math, $160 times 316. But this is exactly, I'm going to put it on the screen. This is what I got in my account. I can't say for sure that I'm going to get paid in February. I don't think I have gotten to the $100 threshold right now. As I right now, I don't think I'm going to make up to that in February, and that's just me being real, being truthful with you guys. I don't see any reason why I need to hide any of this. I mean, we are all here to help each other. We are all here to support each other. I give you my knowledge, you give me your own. We are all learning, we are all growing together. The next time I will get a payment from YouTube would be maybe in April, so maybe it would be a correlation of February and March. Maybe, I don't know. So that is that about how much I made as my first YouTube check. You guys, the truth is, before now, nobody was giving us a dime for doing YouTube. YouTube wasn't paying us one kobo, $1 until now. There's no money that is small money. To some people, it's big money. To some others, it is small money. But to me, there's no money that is small money. I would say that this is that's not bad for your first YouTube check. At least money was paid, okay? At least a check came in, no matter how small or no matter how big, depending on how relative it is to you, it's still money. For me, going henceforth, I'm going to be using my YouTube earnings to do YouTube. Meaning, if I want to change my microphone today, it is from my YouTube money I'm going to do it. If I want to change my laptop today, from this YouTube money. If I want to change my camera today, I will be saving my YouTube money and buy a new camera. So literally, I'm going to be using YouTube to fund YouTube, if that makes any sense. Some people still think that making money on YouTube has to do with your subscriber count, and that is like the wrongest notion you can ever have. The wrongest notion. It's not about how many subscribers you have, because I see people that have 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, and they are getting 5k views on their videos. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So literally, the more views that your videos have, the higher the chance of ads being watched on your videos, and that would automatically translate to the amount of money you'll be making every month or every 2 months from YouTube, or every 3 months, depending on how much you're making. So it's not about how many subscribers you have, whether you have this 1,000, no, it's not about that. It's about how many views are your videos getting, how many people are watching the ads on these videos. That is how you get paid. We thank God for other means of making money via YouTube. I'm talking about maybe sponsored content, working with brands, having a brand sponsor a video. Those are other alternatives as to making money here on YouTube, and not just via AdSense. So we thank God for opportunities like that come once in a while. The thing with making money here on YouTube is, I would just say, the key thing about making money here on YouTube is to be madly consistent. That is the secret, as far as I'm concerned, is to be madly consistent. I see people putting out videos, like 3-4 videos a week, and I'm like, I want to be like you when I grow up, please. I want to be doing this thing too. I don't have the energy or the time to put out 4 videos in a week. But just do you, okay? Do you, do what you can do. For me, I try to put up a video once a week. In a very good week, twice, but most times once. And if I can up my consistency rate to like 2 or 3 times a week, I'm sure I'll be able to get to that $100 threshold every month and be getting paid like every month. So consistency is key, you guys. And of course, that doesn't mean just waking up and just filming any video that comes to your head, just putting out filler videos. That's not what it's all about. More or less, it is about doing good videos, well thought out, detailed videos that people will enjoy and people will relate to, and will also translate to people viewing your videos thousands and thousands of times over. So for me, that's basically it. Don't go and fill up your channel with filler videos, so you're not going to get what you're looking for. Me personally, I would really love to be way more consistent. It's not easy being a mom. Like, there's just so much else to be done, okay? But I'm trying to see if I can up my game to 2 videos a week. I don't know. I'm going to try. It's difficult, you guys, but I'm going to try. So from being monetized in October, it still took me 4 months to actually get paid by YouTube, because obviously I didn't get to the $100 threshold ever since until now. That might not even be the same for you. You may end up getting to your $100 threshold the following month or 2 months after you get monetized, or even that same month, who knows, depending on how good your videos are doing. So you can never really predict how this YouTube thing will go. Like, you can't even predict it. You can't even say, by the end of this month I'm going to collect 100,000 naira. No, you cannot know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I have been able to, you know, answer some pending questions you've had in mind. If you guys still have any questions about Google AdSense or how YouTube pays and all of that, just leave it in the comment section below. Or if you want to be private, send me an email. My email is always in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Okay, let's grow this channel. Let's keep growing this channel. I want us to hit 5K before April. Is that too much to ask? It's not too much to ask. 5K before April is not too much. I'm not even saying 10K, I'm saying 5K. So please subscribe down below if you are yet to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.